Nearly 100 residents are safer following a free smoke alarm blitz in one community in Arvada. Arvada Fire teamed up with the American Red Cross and the Arvada Community Emergency Response Team, or CERT, to make this event possible with the help of dozens of volunteers and donations through several community partners. Arvada Fire identified an at-risk neighborhood with many homes having expired smoke alarms, or none at all. Firefighter and community risk reduction specialist Tracy Leva recognized the risk to these community members and led the planning for this event, bringing together several agencies to provide this no-cost service.
The reason why we were here on a fire here last summer, and one thing that we noticed that the smoke alarms were not present. And as we know, smoke alarms make a difference in survival in a fire. And so we decided to take this project on through the American Red Cross and also through donations through various service organizations here in Arvada.
In total, volunteers installed 84 smoke alarms in the Sheridan Estates community and 92 smoke alarms in the Inspiration Point community. The risk of dying in a home fire is cut in half in homes with working smoke alarms, making the effort spent by volunteers well worth it.
So obviously we can provide more awareness of how we can keep others safe in the communities and stuff, and then we have a wonderful program that we're allowed to provide those free smoke alarms and education to homes. And I think when we have these great opportunities where we can combine two different organizations, CERT as one of the agencies that we're working with, and Fire and Rescue, Red Cross, it's just a great opportunity for us to obviously collaborate.
The event also included educational materials, child passenger safety seat inspections, and outreach booths. 17 teams with 3 volunteers canvassed the community, and each team included an installer, helper, and Spanish speaker. In addition to the Red Cross, many of the volunteers came from Arvada CERT. Here's Suze Gilbert to explain CERT's role in the community.
Arvada CERT is a community emergency response team, and it's made up of a whole bunch of amazing volunteers, your friends, your neighbors, and they take training that amounts to about 24 hours, and they are here to serve the community in very many capacities.
On behalf of Arvada Fire, we thank the many volunteers and community partners who helped us improve the safety of our community.